Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly delete a playlist on your YouTube channel. First, head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select View Your Channel. From here, navigate to the Playlist tab. This is where all your created playlists are listed. To remove one, simply click the three-dot menu icon and hit Delete. Now just a quick heads up, if you're managing a channel for someone else and don't see the delete option, it might be a permissions issue. You'll need to log in with an account that has the proper access level. There's also another way to do this. You can jump straight into YouTube Studio, head over to Content, and then click on the Playlist tab. Just like before, click the three dots next to the playlist you want to get rid of and select Delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching.